The LG900 has a 14-pound pellet hopper on the left side of the grill. The 14-pound capacity allows you to smoke something low and slow for about 7 hours. If you want the ability to smoke over 7 hours without refilling the hopper, Louisiana Grills offers a 20-pound hopper extension accessory that easily installs on the top of the main hopper. Louisiana Grills are fueled by 100% natural hardwood pellets, which come in a range of flavors, allowing you to complement the flavor profile of whatever you're cooking. The hopper features a digital control center for setting your target temperature. Once set, the auger at the bottom of the hopper transports pellets to the burn pot in the bottom of the grill. This fan controls the airflow so that you'll be able to reach and maintain your target temperature. The fan-forced air creates a convection cooking environment. The LG900 has a versatile temperature range for a pellet grill. It can be set anywhere from a low of 180 to a high of 600 degrees. For monitoring your food's internal temperature, the LG900 comes with a meat probe that can be fed through the port on the left side of the grill. You can easily toggle to the probe reading from the digital control center. The cooking grids of the LG900 are constructed of porcelain-coated cast iron. Underneath the cooking grids, you will find Louisiana Grills stainless steel arched flame broiler. This distributes the heat coming from the burn pot beneath, allowing you to use the entire surface of the grill for something like smoking ribs without having to worry about direct flame contact. The arched flame broiler also catches drippings that fall while you grill, directing the moisture back toward your food. Anything that doesn't get vaporized is directed to the right side of the grill, where it drains to this grease bucket. For grilling over direct heat, the flame broiler has a slide plate on the left side of the grill. This steak got a beautiful sear over the direct wood fire. Underneath the arched flame broiler, you'll find the stainless steel burn grate on the left side of the grill. This can be easily removed, making cleanup simple. Other nice features of the LG900 include a removable warming rack for extra grill space and a hood-mounted thermometer. Louisiana Grills offers several accessories. One of our most popular is the cold smoke cabinet, which mounts to the right side of the grill. It's nice to have the versatility to cold smoke cheese and fish or use the smoke cabinet as a warmer. Other popular accessories include this deluxe stainless steel front shelf that can fold down for storage, and this side shelf that can either be mounted on the side or the front of the grill.